In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to install HP LaserJet P1102 printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, you need to copy the link that I have provided at the description box below. Once you've copied it, please open your Google Chrome and at the address bar, make a right click and click on paste. So either press Ctrl V key in your keyboard and that way you'd be able to paste it, then click on the enter key and that way you'd be able to be navigated in this page where you can see the printer driver. So once you have seen the HP LaserJet Pro P1102, you need to proceed to this choose a different OS if Windows 11 is not being automatically detected. Click on the down arrow key here at the drop down menu and please proceed to Windows 11 and click on update. Once you have updated it, you need to scroll down, find for driver product installation software, and you need to download this full software and driver. So in my case, I have already downloaded this one, but in your case, if you haven't yet, then download it. Once completed, you need to copy and move that to the desktop. And here at the desktop, please double tap to extract or unzip the file, or either make a right click and then use the WinRAR tool to extract this one. So please proceed to WinRAR and click on extract to. So kindly wait until a new file folder would be created here at the desktop before we moved on to the installation. Once done, before we proceed, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. Please support. Here at the start to install, navigate here, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Here at the settings, please proceed to the left pane, find for an option which is Bluetooth and devices. Now click on that one. Once you click on it, you need to proceed to printers and scanners, and here you'll get to see this option called Add Device. Click on that one, and the moment you click on it, you need to wait until you can see an option which is Add Manually. Once it's here, directly click on it, and in a few seconds, you'd be able to bring up another window where you can find a printer by other options. So please select for Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings, then click on Next here and then click on this down arrow key and select any of these three USB ports. It could be one, two, or three. And if you have an HP port, select that as well. So click on next and then click on have disk and click on browse. In this new window, we need to proceed to the desktop where our extracted file is being placed. And then you need to scroll down, find for the extracted file, double tap, and then scroll down again. And here you can see three drivers. Just select any of this, click on open and click on OK. Once you've set that one, please find for HP LaserJet Pro P1102. Then click on next and then you can rename it. So in my case, I'll be setting HP LaserJet Pro P1102 only. So as the printer name. So click on next and there you can start the installation. Kindly wait until this would be done. Once done, click on next. Click on finished and there it is. You have just successfully installed the printer driver HP LaserJet Pro P1102. Now, if you think this video would help you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.